This video is for those who feel lost, the ones who's worked so hard to get to a destination. And not only did they arrive successfully, but they have an audience or a group of people who are celebrating them for that destination. But deep down, you feel lost. Deep down, you feel confused. Deep down, you don't feel fulfilled. And now you're at this crossroad where you're just like, do I continue on this path where I am celebrated, where everyone is complimenting me, where there's all of these people cheering me on? And not only that they're cheering me on, this path also gets me decent results. Or do I go on the path where there's pure silence? There's barely anyone cheering me on. Actually, people are probably going to be confused if I go this direction. But deep down inside, I'll probably be more fulfilled. If that's you, if you feel lost, this video is for you. I've been there. I've spent years of my life investing into a career in a business that I enjoyed in the moment, in the season. I truly enjoyed it. I loved it. But the passion started fading, not because I didn't enjoy the activity, but because it didn't produce the lifestyle I wanted. It didn't it wouldn't grant me the life I wanted. And I knew something had to change. And I felt lost for so long. And here's the truth. And here's the truth, because I want you to hear it from me. And you probably know this, but I think it's worth repeating, because maybe this will be your moment of confirmation. I hope this is your moment of confirmation. The truth is, the reason you feel lost is because you haven't decided. You haven't made a decision. It's not because you don't know what to do. It's because you haven't made a decision. I didn't say make a choice, because choosing means you can just choose this today and then choose something else tomorrow. Deciding, a decision, means you're choosing simply, you're locking on that decision. Everything else is getting abandoned. Everything else is going to the wayside. You're completely focused. And that's what I want for you. I want you to decide. The reason you have to make this decision is because you are going to completely degrade your relationships, degrade connections you have with people, not because you're a bad person, but simply because you're trying to sustain an old version of you that's not functional for you anymore. This version of you is long and gone. You don't care about that version of you, but yet you're trying to sustain it, to keep face, to keep an audience, to keep the income, you're trying to do all of this, but in the end, what's the benefit if you lose your soul? What's the benefit if you wake up not looking forward to your day, if you wake up with a bunch of tasks and nothing in that list of things to do is fulfilling for you? What's the point if the people you were meant to connect with, the people you were meant to help, can't find you? I want you to take this serious, because you've been trying to find fulfillment in so many other ways. You're like, let me take this shortcut. You know exactly what to do. You know it's time to take that leap of faith. It is a leap of faith, because it's going to lead you. You're going to have to jump in the deep end, but you keep trying to take safer routes. You're trying to take routes where you get to stay on the boat, but you have to get out the boat. You have to walk on water, because and the funny thing is, you don't think you can. You think it's impossible. But here's the thing, you're not going to drown. I don't believe you will drown. The reason you will not drown is because that passion is burning on the inside of you. You will thrive, but you don't have a room to even thrive, because you're not even giving yourself a chance. I want you to believe in you again. I think for years you haven't had the need to believe in you, because you had so many people cheering you on. You had so many people applauding you left, right. Every second you're getting an applause. You're getting people celebrating you. So you didn't need to believe in you, but I need you to believe in you again. I need you to give yourself a chance. You can't keep trying to do the same old thing over and over and over again. The reason you feel the other reason you feel lost is because you have no idea who you are anymore. You've been abandoning your identity just to sustain an old identity. You're trying to sustain this old identity so bad you almost at this point you don't even know who you are. You don't even realize who you are at this point. And it's not working out for you. You're not fulfilled. You're not happy. It's not working. I want you to give yourself another chance. I want you to dream again. I want you to have hope again. This is not how your life was meant to be. You weren't meant to live a life pleasing people. You weren't meant to live a life where you're searching for an applause from every end of the earth instead of working on your purpose. I see so much more for you. I wish someone had made this video for me 2 years ago. It would have helped me so much. But I'm doing this for you now. I hope this helps. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.